friends, welcome to the talk show with Rankers presented by Naukar Digital Institute. My name is Preet Shah. I'm a chartered accountant and a faculty member of Naukar Institute. With me today is Keval Patel, who secured the 29th All India rank in CA final in the attempt of May 2019. Keval plans to shift to Canada and is currently pursuing CPA Canada from Naukar itself. So, Keval, tell us about your journey in CA. Have you always wanted to pursue CA?
Okay, so basically there was lots of ups and downs in CA journey, and I started dreaming of becoming CA since 8th standard. My cousin became CA, so he basically inspired me a lot to pursue the course and become the CA.
So, since 8th standard, you had this plan to becoming a CA. That's quite ambitious, I would say. And well, dreams and dedication are a powerful combination, Keval, I would say. And definitely, dedication takes sacrifice, and I'm pretty sure that you sacrificed a lot during this whole journey of chartered accountancy.
Yes, it was quite a sacrifice of like most of the social life. Then you need to put long hours and efforts. Like there is articleship you do,
Uh-huh.
and so
Yes, definitely.
there
Well,
is
you all know
yes.
that to pursue chartered accountancy, you need to sacrifice. Definitely, there's no other option. Okay. All right, Keval, just tell me about your flashback. That how did you feel getting a rank at CA final? I mean, tell us about your celebrations.
Okay, so basically, on the scheduled day of result, we checked the website at 11 a.m. So my all the friends told me that merit list is out, but result is not yet out. So
Okay.
I checked the website on merit list at 11 a.m. and I didn't see my rank. So basically, I was little shocked because I prepared so hard to get the rank and I didn't get the rank. So
Okay. So
it
you
was
were
shock for
expecting.
me. And
So you were expecting actually to that you would get a rank.
yes, but it
Okay.
didn't show at 11 a.m. Then at the
Okay.
4 p.m. it updated the website and it showed 29th rank. So when I saw my rank and my mother was besides me, she just started crying and she hugged me. My dad came from the office and there was lots of celebration. My friends, relatives, all were at my home on the second day itself, and we celebrated like very good.
Well, to all the viewers watching this, trust me, this what Keval is seeing, this feeling is the biggest gift that you can give to your parents. And Keval has shared his celebrations, his emotions with us, and you should understand that getting a rank is such an important step in this chartered accountancy course. All right, Keval, tell us about your articleship. Did you get? I mean, from when did you do your articleship? Did you get your enough time for your curriculum while pursuing your articleship?
Getting study time from the articleship is itself in a struggle. So I did my articleship in Ahmedabad-based firm, and then after 2 years, I took the industrial training, and I pursued industrial training for the 1 year.
Okay.
So it is quite hard to get the time in articleship itself. I got very less time in the industrial training as well. So that was quite hard, but somehow I managed.
That's good. I mean, definitely between your articleships also there are lectures also. So it's like lectures, and then you have 8 hours of 7 hours, 8 hours of articleship, and then again you have lectures. Your full day goes by that, and then to create time for your own self, that is for self study, not for your own enjoyment, but that is for self study, because enjoyment you have to anyway forget about it. So I would say that to become a chartered accountant, you need to create time out of no time at all, and that is the level which the institute expects.
Yes, definitely. So there is a morning lecture, then you go to the articleship. If your boss allows to leaves you before 6, then you can attend the evening lecture, or else the evening lecture is gone. You just refer to friends or attend the revision lectures.
Yes, 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 yes,
And
yes.
again on the Sunday,
But with Naukar Digital Institute and the video lectures that we have right now, okay, I guess this difficulty that you faced during your examination, nowadays student won't face it, because at their own convenience they'll be able to watch the lectures. Good.
yes,
Now,
it definitely helps a lot.
yes, absolutely, absolutely, Keval. Thank you. And Keval, tell us when did you get when did you get your study leaves? Because that is very important for a CA final student to get study leaves earlier. They are like, begging to the principal, please let us go, and they want more and more study leaves. So when did you get your study leaves so that you could, diligently study, dedicatedly study, and then because of your studies only you got a rank. So when did you get your study leave?
So my exam was in May 19 and I got study leaves from January 19. So
Okay.
it was only 4 months, but due to the election, the exam got shifted to June. So I get one more extra month to prepare.
Okay. So that's a very good thing that from January. So anyway, you had only 4 months, January to May, but you got an
Yes.
extra month. So for that, okay. And was that time enough? I mean, a lot of people think that getting only 4 months is not enough time to study all the 8 subjects and that to get a rank. So was that time actually enough for you to complete all your course and revise?
So if you start in the first month of your study leaves only, then it would be very difficult for you to cope up with the studies. So basically, you need to start with the beginning of the articleship itself. So you are studying, putting every 2-3 hours a day, 2-3 hours a day from the since beginning. So that helps a lot. And then after you get the study leaves to revise, to basically conclude all the things in your mind.
So you mean to say that if you rely only on those 4 months of study leaves, then getting a rank is really difficult. But you need to have that passion, you need to have that dedication since the starting of your articleship or since the starting of your CA final only, just when you get registered for CA final. Okay, so that's the thing. During your articleship also, you said that it is really difficult, but you created time out of no time. Okay, that's very good, Kevin. And please tell us something about your strategy and planning for your CA exams during your study leaves. During your study leaves specifically, because that's the most important time during preparation time.
So basically, I planned 2 revisions. Like I prepared my notes and all in the first revision itself, and on the second revision, I was trying to basically summarize and cut out the things. Like on the last day, what would I be reading? That only portion would be left in my books. Everything else I would be cutting down. So first and second revision helped me in that, and I planned accordingly exam schedules. I attended the Nauka test series. So it happens that every Sunday you have the test.
Mm-hmm.
So I plan my week accordingly. If FR test is on Sunday, I plan my whole week doing FR, and then I give the test and I evaluate on the Monday, like what I could do better and what I have done wrong and everything like that.
Okay, so it's basically that you did not have to plan it out as such, but you just followed whatever timetable Naukar prepared for you, because tests are regularly being conducted. There are till learn examinations, there are prelim examination, every Sunday there's an examination. So whatever examination is there on a Sunday, did you attend all the tests that Naukar conducted?
I couldn't attend almost all of them, but I tried to attend the most of them, as it helps a lot.
Yes, definitely. But yes, definitely, because there are multiple examinations. There are every Sunday, so anyway you have an examination, but after that also you have till learn examinations, then you have prelims 1, 2, probably even prelims 3 if you get the time.
Yes.
And if you have enrolled
every 4 days and every 2 days.
Yes, every 4 days you have an examination. So that from that you get a practice for your examination also. Yes, that's right, Keval. Okay. And Keval, this is a very important question. A lot of students, go here and there thinking about what material do they use for their studies. And obviously it is recommended also, but I would just like to ask you whether you solved the MTPs, RTPs, past papers also, and what was the material that you used for your examination?
So in revision, I use my class notes, material.
Okay.
And I referred some of the reference book, and definitely I solved MTP, RTP. I even solved on the last day as well, just to have a recap. Like if you solve the MTP, you get to know what institute is expecting from you.
Okay.
You just refer the question, see the answer, and you will know that these 4 points are expected in this question.
Okay.
So when you appear for exam, you write the same things, and that helps in fetching the marks.
So basically, you get to know about your paper pattern and paper style also once
Yeah.
you solve the MTPs, RTPs, and paper patterns. Well, actually, now with Nauka Digital Institutes, the students have access to all the MTPs, RTPs, and past papers also, wherein faculties have taken the initiative to solve those MTPs, RTPs, and past paper for the students. They just have to watch that video, and that's it. They're done with the MTPs, RTPs, and past papers also. Okay, so that's a very beneficial thing for the students also, for MTPs, RTPs, past papers. And as you said that you use class notes also, so all the material that is being provided by Naukar Institute also, that can be helpful for your initial preparation also, for your revision also. All right, Kevin, tell us more about your exam practices. How did you practice for your examination? Other than, yes, definitely you attended all the examinations for that was conducted by Naukar Institute, but you were telling something about the evaluation. Can you please explain more about that evaluation after your examination?
So what I do is, after writing the exam, I compare my answer with the suggested answer.
Okay.
Like every point by point, I would be comparing. Like institute has done this solution, and I have done this solution.
Okay.
So what's the difference? Like if institute has done incremental approach and I have done total approach, so could I save the time in doing incremental approach? If yes, I would be learning that method. So that helps. Like institute suggested answer are very good in a way.
Yes. So it's
And
kind of
that
like
helps.
you're doing a post-mortem of that complete examination paper.
Yeah.
That once you've already done that, you're comparing it with the answer sheet that is provided by Naukar or the suggested answers of the institute, etc. And then you're seeing where you made a mistake. And I mean, of course, you would note that down also. Okay.
Yes. So
okay,
next time we would
yes.
improve.
Tell us about something that before your examination, did you used to just go through the papers or anything that you have already solved in Naukar Institute? Because obviously during your 3 years of coaching and everything, you would have solved at least around 100 papers. So for every subject, even if you have solved almost around 10 papers, did you used to go through those papers or anything?
Yes, at last I would go through all the papers, so I would get to know the after doing post-mortem, I highlight some of the points which are very critical in the answer. So
Okay.
after I have the collection of 100 papers, I go through all the highlighted points. It just take, I guess, hardly one day, but
Yes,
you get to know the whole crux.
absolutely. That's a very good strategy, Keval. Keval wants to say that you just have to collect all the papers, highlight all the things that you don't know. Because the things that you know,
Yes.
you anyway are going to write it down. But the
Right.
things that you don't know, yes, absolutely. Keval highlighted it, and Keval, just before the examination, Keval went through all the highlighted portions. That's a very good strategy, Keval. Thank you. Okay, Keval, tell us something about the theory subjects. Like, did you used to make notes for theory subjects?
Yes, I started making notes in the articleship period itself, and in the revision lecture I finalized the notes, and then I didn't have the time much time to prepare another note, so I relied the basic notes, and then I was using class notes, or you can say reference books.
Okay, so you made notes for your theory subjects, and during your revision time, you used to refer to that. And when did you start making those notes? Like during the class only, or during your first time preparation?
During the class itself.
Okay, during the class itself, you used to make notes. And
Yes.
did you do any ABC gradings or any such kind of strategy during your first time revisions or first time preparation or anything?
Yes, ABC grading helps a lot. In a way, there is lots of repetition in the material itself.
Yes.
So by grading at C, you eliminate the C category grade. Those are not useful. Even if you do not revise them, you would remember by itself.
Okay.
But the A category, I used to mark one sum in every chapter, like A category. I must refer them. So I get to know the basic plus lots more thing about the chapter.
Okay, so that you can cover all the concepts, you mark all those questions that even if you know that, still it will be a good revision. So that's a very good strategy for a practical, Keval. That's a very good strategy for practical subjects. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay, Keval, tell us about your favorite faculty in Naukar. When you used to study, when you used to do your coaching, who was your favorite faculty in Naukar? And tell us something that he or she taught you that you will never forget in your life.
That's a tough question. So, like, everyone is good, but for favorite, I could say Dawal Gandhi sir.
Okay, the
Not because
director
he taught IDT. Yes, he taught IDT very well.
Okay.
Hello. Yes, he taught IDT very well. But apart from that, I like his attitude. Like there was a lot of things to do on my plate, so I was getting very overwhelmed by the situation. So I asked him, कि, what should I do, sir? So sir said कि बस हो जाएगा, ऐसा टेंशन नहीं लेने का. And that attitude helps. Whenever I feel overwhelmed or stressed, I just refer him and I say just हो जाएगा, ऐसा टेंशन नहीं लेने का.
That's good. That's good. Well, Keval, it is definitely stressful. Your complete CA curriculum, whenever you are going for CA final, all these long hours of articleship, then long hours of lectures, and after that you have to go home and study for yourself also, etc.
Yeah.
And sacrificing, and more than that, sacrificing your social life, sacrificing the social media, cutting off from the world for 3 complete years. That is definitely very stressful and overwhelming, as you said. But I would like to say that what appears to be a sacrifice for today is actually an investment for tomorrow, and which you are reaping the benefits of right now.
Definitely.
Yes. All right. So, Keval, tell us that studies for such a long time without any time for yourself. Okay, without any time for yourself. Everybody needs time for themselves. That at least 1 hour in a day they can, get time for themselves. They can watch anything they want to. They can read books, etc., etc. Other than the study books. If they want to watch, or they can do what they like or anything. So, but during your lectures, because from morning 7 to 10 you had lectures, then you had articleship, then evening also, then you had to study and etc. This is always very stressful. And more than that also, the real stress that you get is in the end, that when you are preparing and when you have already studied for 12 to 13 hours every single day, and in the last month, that is in the month of April or May, you always feel like throwing away everything and you're like, I don't want to do it, I want to leave. So how did you cope up with that stress?
So I would tell one incident. Like when I was doing industrial training, I asked leaves from the November, basically. What like you said, like I wanted to prepare for the rank, so I asked leaves from the November itself, but they didn't allow, and I was like literally shattered. I went home and I was like crying, like I have this much to do. How am I supposed to cope up with all this? And I started basically crying. I thought of quitting for a second and like for a minute whole, and then my mom saw me, and then she motivated me in a like कि बेटा टेंशन नहीं लेने का, जो भी होगे देख लेंगे, मैक्सिमम फेल हो सकते हैं तो नेक्स्ट 6 months के बाद फिर से दे देना. And that was the real motivation, and that made me came back in the game.
Okay, at one point of time, Keval, you thought of quitting chartered accountancy because of so much stress and everything, and because you did not get the required study leaves and everything. And on the other hand, when you got your study leave from January, you had only 4 months from November. At the time of November, you were so stressed. You got your study leaves from January, and you had only 4 months. Still, I would applaud your dedication that still you studied well despite all that stress, and you got a rank. Okay, I mean, you were literally stressed for failing. That how would you even pass? And now that you've got a rank, so that's commendable. That's commendable, Keval. Very good. I would just like to say that stress always eats away our hopes, our belief, and our faith. Okay, and our strength also. So I would just say that what you actually said, that whenever you are stressed, you just have to smile. You just have to take a deep breath, and you just have to let it all go away slowly, and keep that attitude that yes, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, ठीक है, एक अटेम्प्ट और ज़्यादा आ जाएगा, बट करना तो है ही.
हाँ, exactly.
All right, thank you very much, Keval. Keval, how did you cope up with any amendments that, because it's CA final, okay, and amendments keep on coming. So how did you cope up with any amendments?
So at that time, Naukar uploaded the amendment lectures on the YouTube, and I saw the amendment lectures and amended my notes accordingly, and that's how I got amended. No amendment.
Okay, so did you attend those lectures, or was it uploaded in the institution's app?
I watched online.
Okay, you watched online only. So
yes.
all the amendments in the right time are being uploaded in the application itself. All right.
In the last 6 months, yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, Keval. And lastly, before going, do you want to give any special tips for other CA aspirants?
I would like to say one thing. Just be confident. I know that there are lots of uncertain things going on. Like May exam is shifted to November, and that is very stressful. Like you have to study for the next whole 4 months. But just be confident. I would share one incident. Like Hitesh sir told us in the IPCC, like वो जब CA उन्होंने start किया था, तो उनके क्लास में ऐसा था, सब लोग बातें कर रहे थे कि ये बंदा खाटू है, ये बंदा बापू है, ये सब पास हो जाएंगे, एंड ऐसे मतलब बहुत ही स्ट्रेसफुल माहौल था कि ये बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, ये वैसा है.
अच्छा.
It has then said कि जब रिजल्ट आया तब खाटू बापू सब रह गए एंड मैं निकल गया. So it happens. So just be confident in yourself, have a proper mindset, and plan your studies well, and mental health and physical health पे भी focus करो, बहुत सही रहेगा.
Okay.
Everything will turn out to be fine at the end.
Well, thank you very much, Keval. That was very delightful. That was absolutely insightful, and I'm pretty sure that for all the students who are watching this would be a motivation. This would be an inspiration for all these students, and students will learn from this about how to prepare and how to keep their focus upon. Thank you very much, Keval. Thank you for joining, and I'm pretty sure this will help all the students all across India. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more such videos and learn from our expert faculty members. Press the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we upload a new video. Download NDI mobile app to get complete CA course online. We value your support. Thank you for watching.